I like all-inclusive resorts where you can drink as much as you want, be around other people from San Andreas, and the only interaction you have with the locals is if you need a cocktail or some spice.
This is a monthly test of the San Andreas Emergency Alert System. This system was developed to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this was an actual emergency, official news and instructions would have followed the alert tone. This station serves the greater Los Santos metro area. This concludes the test of the San Andreas Emergency Alert System. Normal broadcasting will now resume.
Tim, you're so stupid. You count with your fingers.
You want to party with me?
Time to change your identity. Don't let bad memories blow your cover.